Beachhead subscriptions enforce encryption and provide data access control on Windows OS devices, on Mac, on storage devices, and on iOS devices through a secure, centralized web-based console. We showed you a moment ago how we quarantine data on a Windows machine. We'd now like to show you how we can wipe data on a compromised iOS device, in this case on an iPad. But before we do that, John, could you show them just a few of the iOS policies we can manage through the Beachhead console?
Let's do it.
All right.
Here we have the device settings screen, and this is where the organization will establish use and security policy for the iOS devices within the firm. Let me point out a couple of those controls. First, you'll note where we can enforce a passcode. Over here, the organization can allow simple passcodes or not. Here we have the shelf life of the passcode and the minimum length of the passcode. We'd certainly recommend erring on the side of strict, and as you can see here, a passcode of up to 12 characters can be mandated. We can also enforce a maximum idle time before a lockout. This is especially important because iOS data is encrypted and secured whenever the device is locked. If the device is company-owned, the organization may wish to restrict its use to business-related concerns only. As a result, administrators may prefer to block application installs, camera usage, and iTunes, as well as a variety of other restrictions. All right, let's show you just how easy it is to kill the contents on a lost, stolen, or somehow compromised device.
Here you'll see an iPad that's been logged into, and of course, all the data and applications, including access to my corporate email account with 31 emails, is accessible and available. That's terrific if I'm an employee in good standing, not so good if I'm a thief.
All right, so let's say that Ken is not an employee in good standing or is in fact a thief. Here we'll select the device and simply kill it. It's just that simple.
And John's just initiated the kill from the console. And you'll see here very shortly that the device, wherever it may be, is in fact killed. You'll notice now there's no icons, there's no access to the email account, and only the authorized user will be able to authenticate. And if the firm or authorized user is lucky enough to get the device back, only they will be able to restore it to its original state.